it's your girl Didi, and I'm your dietitian, nutritionist, wellness coach, and lifestyle expert. And today we're going to chat a little bit about women's health. What are some things that you could do to add to your overall wellness? Because we definitely go through a lot with our body. It's easier for us to gain body fat than muscle mass. And with all our hormones and everything that we go through every single month, we have quite a lot of uncontrollable cravings that might make us gain excessive weight. So these are a few tips and tricks that you can do to help you manage your cravings and improve the quality and the wellness of your life. First off, you want to make sure that you drink herbal tea. The main reason I started to invest in my own organic tea is because I always recommend herbal tea. There are so many benefits to including tea in your life. Whatever your favorite tea is what you want to include. So no matter what, if it's chai, if it's chamomile, if it's green tea, just include it. And of course, replacing sugar with pure organic honey. Honey has a lot of antioxidants and a lot of health benefits, but I usually replace sugar with honey for everything, and it helps a lot to prevent blood sugar spikes, and it also adds to your overall wellness and builds your immune system. Snacking! The reason why that I started to do healthy snack options and organic treats, homemade treats, is because we have a lot of cravings, and you need something to satisfy those cravings, because if you don't satisfy those cravings, it's going to lead to overconsumption of every single thing, and you're not going to be satisfied, and then it's going to lead to weight gain and unhealthy fat deposits all over your body. These are no sugar snacks. I use pure honey to create them. So you could include things that are high in fiber and nutrient dense. You definitely do not want to stick to something that has no nutritional value, because it has probably a lot of weird chemicals and strange names in there that is not going to benefit your overall wellness in any way, and it may actually increase cravings. The higher the fiber, the more full and satisfied you're going to feel. So I usually use oats with all of my snacks. I have homemade granola, I have yummy date Snickers, and I have energy bites as well. I'm also venturing on some other snacks like brownies, and I have a diabetic friendly cake. Now honestly, there are so many misconceptions, and you do not have to think that you need to stop eating certain things. It's all about balance. It's all about including things that you love and that you enjoy without it impacting you negatively. Because what's the point of restricting yourself and limiting yourself? There is absolutely no need. You need to eat what you love, learn how to balance it, and enjoy life with lifestyle changes. It's just about creating healthy habits. So if you guys are interested in any of my products or nutrition services, you guys know you could WhatsApp me. And you can check me out on all my other social media links, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, because I'm giving free advice every single day. Health is wealth. You can't do anything without it. Lifestyle changes work. And with everything that I do, it's all personalized to suit you. So you get the guidance you need. Clarify all those misconceptions. You can eat to reach your health goals. We have to eat to live. So why don't you eat and nourish your body well? Take care of it by understanding you specifically, what you need, and how you can provide nutrients to get you to better health. It's all about improving the quality of your life. So thanks for joining me. I hope that you liked this short video, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.